In this video I'll show you how to install and play Need for Speed Most Wanted Black Edition on your PC in a safe and beginner-friendly way, while keeping things realistic and legal. This edition was released with extra cars and bonus events, and it's important to first confirm you already own a legitimate copy, either as an original CD, DVD or a personal digital backup. If you're using a disc version, insert the disc, open the setup file, follow the on-screen instructions, and enter your valid product key when prompted. For digital copies you legally own, extract the files if they're compressed, open the installation folder, and run the installer to complete setup. After installation, the game may not launch properly on modern systems without fixes, so applying well-known community compatibility patches is often necessary for stable performance. In some cases, ISO-based copies require mounting through built-in system tools or trusted software before launching. Once installed, adjust graphics and resolution settings to match your PC for smoother gameplay. Avoid unofficial sites claiming free versions, as they can pose security and legal risks. Subscribe for more safe, honest classic PC game setup guides you can trust.